Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the existing color and finish so your fix blends. Once done, clean the wall thoroughly to remove oils and dust. These prevent adhesion. Next, sand any glossy or flaking spots until smooth, and vacuum or wipe the residue. Make sure to mask trim and floors with tape and drop cloths to keep edges crisp. If you have the paint code, mix a small test batch now. Otherwise, plan to take a sample for tinting before you paint. You'll now mix and apply a test coat so you can compare under real light. Stir the paint well and add tint slowly, in 10% steps if adjusting. Small shifts matter. Once mixed, apply a 6x6 test patch in the same sheen and let it dry completely. Paint darkens and levels as it dries. Make sure to feather the edges and use a roller that matches the wall texture. If the match fails, tweak tint or bring the dry sample back for pro matching. You finish by blending the matched paint into the surrounding area to hide transitions. Start by feathering outward from the test patch, working in thin, even coats. Apply one coat first and inspect, then add a second if needed. Make sure to follow the paint's recommended dry time between coats for adhesion. Once dry, evaluate under daylight and artificial light. If you still see a mismatch, wait 48 hours. Colors can shift.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.